Hey y'all. So first, put your dog on the table. You're gonna get a knife and put your dog back on the ground because that's screwed up.
Today we're gonna be making beef quesadillas. The first ingredient is pre-defrost steak, our steak seasoning, which is Worcestershire sauce, and just some steak spice. We got some salsa. We got cheese, tortillas, we have a cutting board, and we have a knife. We're gonna cook our steak. You wanna turn your stove on to low, medium, high heat. We're gonna take our steak and place it into the pan. Now, wanna turn your stove on to low, medium, high heat. Some Worcestershire sauce. Just to keep it nice and juicy. 7 Heaven. Now we're just gonna flip it to get a nice sear on that side. Now we're gonna do the same thing to this side. Now our steak is done. We're gonna place it onto the cutting board to cool. We're just gonna take our steak and we're going to slice it. I don't know how to describe this, but you want to cut it where the direction that the lines are going, because that is going to make it the most tender when you bite it. And we're just gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces, or like how fajita meat would be. It's almost.
It's approved.
Kayla, what the? Now we are back at the oven and we are just going to toast our tortilla. Going to add some sprinkled cheese to the bottom of this.
Oh, no, it was good.
Now to just melt the cheese real quick, we're just gonna place a lid over it to keep all that heat in there.
Oh wait, it's recording.
Calm down. Now that our cheese is melted, we are going to place our steak onto the cheese. We're now going to add more cheese. Place the other tortilla on the top. We are going to now flip this over. Now that we have both sides toasted, we're just going to take it off the pan and we're going to place it on the plate that has been placed on the cutting board. To make your life easier, we're just going to use scissors for this. Can you hear that crunch? Now, we're gonna test it out with some salsa.
Something smells like burning plastic. Oh, wait. Yup. Did it cook my dog?
And like we can put it on in fast motion for the ending part, the outro.